I'm chilling with Hayshaun, and you're watching TUOKAM TV. Dega!
What we do is we grind every day.
Chilling with Hayshaun.
Some certain 12 years. Come see us.
Shout out to Dega, man. I see you, nigga.
Big shout out to CashFlo0ow Entertainment, Old School Entertainment.
TUOKAM TV. 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 Chilling with Hayshaun, man, and you watching TUOKAM TV.
Y'all not in here right now, you're missing out. Big shout out to y'all niggas that fucking.
TUOKAM TV. TUOKAM TV. TUOKAM TV. TUOKAM TV. TUOKAM TV. TUOKAM TV. TTV. TUOKAM TTV. TUOKAM TTV. TUOKAM TTV. TUOKAM TV.
Donna's in the building, man. Donna's in the building. Money makers to ever do it, man. You already know, man. I don't want to talk too much. I don't want to put too much on. Word. Not too much. I don't know, man. My nigga GendI, I told y'all, man. Brite Lites Ent, My Lights Entertainment, CFB. I ain't even gotta say nothing. I don't do it. Yo, that's my boss. That's boss. That's boss like boss over here. 7-4 GD. Oh, you know his real boss. He fuck with Theodore Eunice. He fuck with Tony Swallow. But I don't know that. CashFlo started in the fucking building, man. Get your fucking money up, man. Get your money right. I niggas know how I go. I'm out here on my bridge. Y'all look out for this man right here. Yo, my son Jhonny. Look out. The best kept secret, man. Yo, CashFlo started a mixtape February 17th. Money never sleeps, man. The link for that right there. That's the link for that.
That deal, CT bitches be on me. Double G, Stone Gang, the dope man. That's how we came. Just came from the club, popping bottles and shit. Shout out to my nigga G Man, Cash Flow and shit. You see us out here shining for motherfucking head. We that new money, man. 90s blood. You already see us, man.
Hey, yo, I'm about to go get my money from my partners. You heard?
TUOKAM TV. TUOKAM TV.
It's Touche Mack. I'm chilling with the Hayshaun. I've been trying to get on this for a minute, man. For a minute, you know, good looking out. You know what I'm saying? Hayshaun, real dude. We known each other for a couple of years, man. You know, we doing our thing, man. From Boston, Massachusetts, but nothing was popping off. So we're in Brooklyn and we're trying to do it. My man Carlos Brown, he's from Miami, but he's in Boston. He coming out here, man. So we're gonna do it. Trying to lock this place down, trying to give me some fresh music, you know, different perspectives, you know what I'm saying? Haitian American. We're not on that thug shit, man. Y'all can handle that, you know what I'm saying? We want to give you that intelligence, that shit that feeds your mind and shit, because a lot of y'all are fucking zombies. Y'all need to wake the fuck up, man. Real talk, man. Mixtape, Something Gotta Give, coming out real soon. We just gotta get like a couple more songs mixed, mastered, and we're gonna have that for you, man. Got The Awakening on there, that's my joint. Breathe from Carlos Brown. We got a couple joints with my man Click Clack Cliz, rest in peace. It's a Bad Hit Factory thing, BHF. That's what it is right now. So we rolling with that, and let's go, man. It's something I thought about maybe 2 years ago. I got my man aboard, Carlos Brown, Dega Brown, whatever you want to call him, Prince Hakeem Shabazz. You know what I mean? We known each other for a while. I respect his music, I respect his mind. He's a good dude. So I told him to come aboard, and that was that. The dude had stopped doing music for like a year till I called him up, like, let's do something. And we never did music before that. He was just a real dude. We kept in touch, you know what I'm saying? He asked for me all the time, I asked for him. And boom, boom, boom. So, you know, real niggas do real things. Grown men do grown men shit, you know what I mean? So, that's what it is, man.
Let them know where they can find your music, Jay.
You can find my music, Reverb Nation / Touche Mack. That's TOUCHEMACK. Hit me up on Twitter at TOUCHEMACK. I'm there, man. I'm on Facebook. Same thing, Touche Mack, and whatever. We doing it.
You want to tell them what Touche Mack mean? It got a special meaning?
Touche Mack, man. It's just two words. Touche, just being witty. You know what I mean? I'm giving it to you, you know, different, putting some humor on there. And Mac just means being, you know, being a Mac is controlling everything around you, man. You know what I mean? Like, yo, just being able to have that talk, that rap, that game. You know what I mean? Cause you know, a lot of dudes right now they're just zombies, man. Like they don't have their own style, man. You know what I mean? You gotta be able to be real and speak your mind, man. And that's where Mac comes, you know, just being able to manipulate my situations.
How long you been spitting?
7, 8 years. You know, just now really trying to take off with it, man. You know, just had to grow up now, get my mind together. So I'm just here to give you that music, man. I got a single with this guy from Australia, M.Ceazar. Like it's on, it's a little dance joint. So, you know, go look that up on iTunes. M.Ceazar featuring Touche Mack, like it's on. I got another project coming up with the producer of that record, Leon Sanandin. So look out for him. Real good producer, writer, just a great musician out of Sydney, Australia. That's it, man. Just music. I got dreams of fast cars and bad broads, a rap star, hopefully take it that far. Sit back, just listen to my melody about these clown niggas and the shit that they be telling me. They ask Mac where your stacks at. Relax, black, take your hat and put it in your ass crack. In my backpack, I'm a real nigga, that's that. And that's all fat word to my cousin Black Shaq. I never hate, I criticize. Don't be surprised, read niggas just by looking in their eyes. I see the spies, so my counters supposed to be minimized. I advise you to keep it moving like it's televised. I show respect when respect's due. If you don't do the same, I don't respect you. Shorty try to play a nigga, that's cool, cause I smashed through and I'm on to the next boo. Don't be a hater, study the game. You so jealous and lame, I want the money and fame. Boom, that's it, Touche Mack.
So what we doing today, my nigga?
Day, video shoot, me estoy volviendo loco, Ato Rey, HM, nigga.
That's what it is.
Big shout out to TUOKAM TV, man, for real.
Dis-nous encore, nous connaissons que les chats Mafia, m'balance K, ok?
TV, TUOKAM TV, TUOKAM TV, TUOKAM TV.
That's Mona Lisa.
Anyway, Hayshaun, man, and you watching TUOKAM TV.
Yeah, you already know Platinum Sound, all hands on deck, a band of brothers. Wyclef Sedeck, TUOKAM, shout out to that.
Shout out to TUOKAM TV. Yeah, we're shaking, man. What it is, you already know. Boy Fonz in the building. And we got a couple of things online, you know what I mean? The past few years, you know what I mean? We've been trying to specialize and get better in different areas of this shit, you know what I mean? We did the shows, you know what I'm saying? See where we at with the crowd and stuff like that. Did dropped a couple mixtapes, dropped a couple songs. Right now, we just trying to build off everything. Gotta check my Moa drop online, you know what I'm saying? 49,000 views, you know what I'm saying? Definitely one of the best joints we had so far. We just trying to build off that. We just trying to put variety in our music right now. You know what I'm saying? We already know when it comes to music is the easiest part. I mean, we just gotta cover all the other bases. You know what I mean? And we good. Look out for us. MC's dropping the mixtape. I had my mixtape in Cocktail Hour, man. Not for cowards. Yeah, this is where the game starts.
Look out for the mixtape too, man. Community service. I'm serving you. I'm cleaning the streets up from this garbage. You heard me? Straight up. Cleaning this shit up. Community service. Coming soon to the hood near you. I mean, starting in Canarsie, just going to come to a hood near you. I don't care where you at. You feel me? Coming to you. You ain't gonna bump into your hood like you be tight.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? We out here. We ain't really trying to kick anybody out or, you know what I mean? Just trying to make our space for, yeah, we just pretty much trying to bring a whole new variety to the game right now. Let them know what we offering, what we bringing to the table. You know what I'm saying? Where we at with it. Musically, we from Brooklyn, New York. You know what I'm saying? Flatbush to Flatland. Shout out to the whole hood. You know what I mean? Just trying to hold it down for our sides, how we doing things, where we at with it. And that's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? We really serious when it comes to this music joint. We try to put our best foot forward in everything that we make. So we sure you gonna run into something that you like coming from over here. If not everything, you know what I'm saying? We definitely do it. Yo.
There's some bright lights in all of us. Niggas already know, man. Check thatpiff.com, man. GendI, Flame Spitter. Check the YouTube. GendI.
You already know he gonna get it because he already getting.
Check that out. SoundCloud.com. G-Genius. Hit me up on Facebook. Facebook.com/G-Genius. Twitter @GCrack. GCRA 2 C's. Holla at me and let me know what you trying to do, man. Because we out here. You heard? I'm still out here doing it. Real talk. I'm doing it real big. Artistry, stand up, game time entertainment. You know what I mean? Shout out the Hood Committee. I mean, niggas in Shadyfield, we got the single Ray Charles.
What it do? How you gonna do it? Start it off like that. Yes. Okay.
I think I'm Ray Charles. I'm pushing keys. I got my shades on. I'm looking fleek. I don't mess around. I got a woman. My swag syndrome. Always got a hater looking. I think I'm Ray Charles. I'm pushing keys. I got my shades on. I'm looking fleek. I don't mess around. I got a woman. My swag syndrome. Always got a hater looking. Who the hell I be? Okay, ain't gotta show no damn ID. Mr. Alvin NYC. Don't believe it, come and see. Okay, a double in some trouble. When he hurt me, if you touch me, you might catch a nigga bustin'. At any nigga frontin'. Got my shades on for y'all haters. Got my shades on for y'all haters. Okay, welcome to the future and we are the leaders. Okay, you running out of smoke? I suggest you go and re-up. From cold hard to heat up. From cold hard to I heaters. AK, you need Jesus. Feel away if you want to. Your girl pumping my attitude. I said let's go. Then I'm in the tipsy roll. That was then. This is now. Don't talk shit when Breeze around. Cause I chop a nigga. Okay, I think I'm Ray Charles. I'm pushing keys. I got my shades on. I'm looking fleek. I don't mess around. I got a woman. My swag syndrome. Always got a hater looking. I think I'm Ray Charles. I'm pushing keys. I got my shades on. I'm looking fleek. I don't mess around. I got a woman. Yo, G, turn this shit up. Always got a hater looking. Hey yo, your boy G by the dollar bill. A nigga need racks. I'm talking lot of mirrors. These niggas better wear they armor in the battlefield. My neighborhood is rolling and we keep a lot of steel. And when we getting high, that's how I gotta feel. And I got a bad bitch with red bottom heels, right by the hills, like a bucket of ice.